Is your medicine cabinet stuffed with products that you don't even use? In this video, we'll go through some natural alternatives you can use to simplify your home apothecary with natural ingredients. Hi, I'm Katie, certified aromatherapist and co-founder of Simply Earth, and in this video, we will go through some of my favorite home remedy ingredients. Let's start with some of my favorite essential oils. Think of these as your toolkit for creating your DIYs for the benefits you want. Use Defender Blend to freshen the air, rose geranium to soothe, eucalyptus to clear, cardamom to warm, and cedarwood to ground. I love to incorporate these oils into my home remedies to support my health. I love using these essential oils to powerhouse my recipes like shower steamers, balms, steams, and more to help me feel my best. Carrier oils like fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, and hemp seed oil dilute essential oils and make your products glide onto the skin. Waxes and butters like coconut oil, shea butter, and beeswax give your topical products a smooth feel and create their texture. They're nourishing to the skin, and beeswax creates a protective layer. Dried botanicals like lavender and calendula bring calming, skin-supportive magic to your DIYs. Menthol crystals can be added to products like shower steamers or skincare balms to create that cooling feel. Mica powders, I love to add them to add colors to my balms just for fun. Citric acid is a fun ingredient to add to any bath products you make, along with baking soda to create that fizzy fun. To learn how to make your own DIY products with ingredients like the ones I just shared, check out our recipe box where you'll master a new theme every month of DIYs. So this month we're talking about home remedies. We also have DIY kits like our shower steamer kit and salves and ointment kit you can use to build up your own home apothecary. And don't forget my free guide, which will give you ingredients, recipes, and more to create your own natural products to build out your home apothecary. Natural, fun, and easy. That's the Simply Earth way. Happy DIYing!